Machines drive manufacturing, and manufacturing drives progress. But the real force behind all progress is people. People who run the machines, design systems, innovate, manage factories that drive global manufacturing. A plant manager must ensure smooth and optimal running, but without the right information at the right time, he can't run the factory properly or launch smart manufacturing initiatives. Maintenance engineer struggles with gathering information and taking the right action at the right time. For the supervisor overseeing several machines, getting daily information is like running a constant race. For operators running machines, keeping track of malfunctions, bottlenecks, and additionally preparing reports reduces productivity. A typical factory struggles with having the right data and insights for the right person at the right time, leading to problems and delays on the shop floor. MINTVIZOR is the comprehensive manufacturing analytics solution that puts your manufacturing unit at your fingertips and makes it a smart factory. It provides real-time machine monitoring and analytics to drive decision-making for higher throughput, reduced downtime, and improved product quality. With MINTVIZOR, a plant manager will have enterprise-wide operational insight into assets, people, and processes. He can focus on taking the factory to the next level. Maintenance engineer will get rule-based and predictive alerts along with a live view of the operating conditions of machines, allowing him to easily plan maintenance schedules. MINTVIZOR will give a supervisor real-time visibility into all the machine operations, enabling him to respond faster. MINTVIZOR Operator Panel allows machine operators to make faster, smarter decisions based on real-time data. He decides what to share, communicate, and focus on, and raises tickets from the dashboard itself. Empowered operators enhance productivity and quality. MINTVIZOR dashboards address needs of every role in a manufacturing plant. Customers have reported over 15% improvements in utilization and efficiency. MINTVIZOR has wizard-driven install capabilities and leverages the cloud, thereby significantly reducing IT efforts and costs. MINTVIZOR from HCL Technologies is the next step in manufacturing, enabling organizations to have real-time AI and machine learning-driven insights into the availability, performance, and quality of tools, equipment, devices, and machines. Plug in MINTVIZOR. Power your digital transformation journey.